Welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle 19C GoldenGate integrated replicate and extract. This is the previous video continuation. Let's go to a brief introduction and demo. I prepared that steps and in detailed manner. GoldenGate integrated extract and integrated replicate using Oracle GoldenGate 19C on Oracle Linux 8.2 and 7.3. This is the source and target missions I have created. Let's go to the introduction. Oracle GoldenGate provides very fast replication of heterogeneous database by reading transaction logs and writing the changes to one or more target databases. Oracle GoldenGate 11 introduced the integrated extract feature, and then integrated replicate was delivered with the Oracle GoldenGate 12c database. Okay, in integrated capture mode, the Oracle GoldenGate extract process interacts directly with the database log mining server, which mines or reads the database read logs files and capture the changes in the form of logical change records (LCRs). LCRs are written to the GoldenGate trial files. In integrated mode, the replicate process leverages the apply processing functionality that is available within the Oracle database. In this mode, replicate operates as follows. First, reads the Oracle GoldenGate trial and then perform the data filtering, mapping and conversion, and then constructs logical change records (LCR) that represent source database DML transaction in committed order. GDL is applied directly by replicate. Attaches to a background process in the target database known as a database inbound server by means of lightweight streaming interface. Transmit the LCRs to the inbound server, which applies the data to the target database. This demo guides you how to configure data capture using integrated extract and how to configure data delivery using integrated replicate. So in this demo, scenario, the demo. In this demo scenario, there is two virtual machines are running 64-bit version of Linux, Oracle Linux 8.2 or 7.3, which is run Oracle RDBMS 19C 12.203. Two instances of Oracle GoldenGate 19C software runs the two virtual machines. One which simulates the replication source OGG SRC instance, and other second which is stimulate the replication target OGG TRG. So the Oracle Energy RDBMS instance OGG SRC contains three users and schemas. C## OGG user, C# OGG source, and C# OGG TRG. So three users we need to create each instance OGG source and OGG target. And also this demo contains the below creating the necessary database schema and object, prepare the environment for replication, configuring an integrated extract, ensure data capture for the OGG SRC schema, ensuring a data extract to provide the data capture for the LGC as a source schema, configuring an integrated replicate to ensure the delivery to the target schema, generating same database activity, inserting and updating rows and replication source schema, verifying the data is replicated as expected, generating some statistics for extract and replicate the process. In order to, we are going to see this order. And for this hardware and software requirements, hardware we need two virtual machines, two Oracle Linux host. It can be virtual machines configured to virtual machine with the 2 CPU each virtual machine and 6 GB RAM minimal requirement, and provided we need to install Oracle Linux 7.3 or 7.5 or 8.2 both virtual machines. And software, Oracle GoldenGate, Oracle Linux 64x86, Oracle software library. You can download from edelivery.com, edelivery.oracle.com. Version 9.1.0.0.4, port number this speech 9686 in the zip. This is the part number for this Linux 64 and 886. Oracle 96 database installed on the host both virtual machines. So Oracle DDL and DML files needed for this tutorial and downloaded from. So I have downloaded this from Oracle sites for the examples. Okay, Oracle 96 GoldenGate setup replicates. Install Oracle 96 on the source and target VMs. Two database instance OGG source and OGG TRG is created and running on both the VMs. Database data files are stored in the separate mount point like underscore data directory. The sys and system users are the same password on Oracle. Number two, the Oracle GoldenGate software installed on the following source and target. The Oracle GoldenGate application source environment resides software GoldenGate and 91004 OGG source. The Oracle GoldenGate application target environment resides in software GoldenGate 91004 OGG TRG. Okay. The instance parameter streams underscore pool underscore size should be set at least 512 M. In our case, I will set 100 or 200 M. And the instance must be running on archive-log mode. In addition, this demo assumes that Oracle GoldenGate software installed in the two directories like that Oracle GoldenGate home for source and target. And then we need to verify that TNS entry across virtual machines. I have put both the virtual machines TNS entry to ping. I did a TNS ping, it's pinging each other. So we need to validate. And then we need to create creating and preparing database users and schema for replication. So we need we need 3 users on source and target database. The OGG user, I mean this user has heightened level of privileges allowing the Oracle GoldenGate software to perform replication. The source user, this is an unprivileged replication source user, and the target user, this is the unprivileged replication for target user. Additionally, you have to download the file for creating the data, creating that database object to data replicated between the replication source and replication target, and then creating a table space, data table space and user. So from here on, we are going to see one by one in that achieving this demo. Creating database table space and user, select that source OGG source terminal using SQL to connect the database SQL, verifying the database is running archive-log mode. The database must be running archive-log mode. You specify archive-log mode when you create a database using DBCA. If you did not create the database in archive-log mode, do the following. Like you need to verify this. Select log mode underscore select log underscore mode from database. If it is not running archive-log mode, you have to shut it down and start up mount and alternatives archive-log and alternatives open. Again, you need to verify. Otherwise, you can do it archive-log list. It will says archive-log mode or not. For this, we are going to create 2 table spaces to achieve this demo, like source data host application for source database or OGG source database objects, and target data to host the application target database OGG objects. Okay, let's go to that demo from here. OGG GoldenGate target database is running. Okay. So here is a listener running on target side as well as okay. TNS ping OGG TRG target side. Here it is from source it is run pinging, and from target side pinging. Okay. And I had installed that Oracle GoldenGate binaries on this location. This is target side. This is host source side. Okay, now so manager is not running. We need to start manager here also. Okay, so both the end I have Oracle 19c databases running, listener services are running, and Oracle GoldenGate services are running. Oracle GoldenGate binary has been installed. We are going to configure. So the database, let's check that Oracle enabled or not. Log list. I am checking source and target both the side. Log list. So it's enabled. Okay. This is the case we have achieved. So it's we have verified. Okay, and then now we need to create that table space source. I'm going to create two table spaces and source data and the source trg data. In source side, I'm going to create this data table space. So table space has been created. In the other side, I'll create this target side as well. So both the table space has been created. Okay. Next, we will create that user. So I'm giving container equal to all. So let's see. It will create all the container. So create will give the DBA privileges to that user. This is heightened privilege. I mean we can give container equal to all. Okay. So this is one, and we can give some extra additional privileges to this user. Next we are going to create that source user and target user and database users. So on source side, create source user like Second user, alter user, quota unlimited. Okay, the same thing we need to perform on that target side as well. Okay, so far this has been completed. So we need to enable the supplemental log on both sides. So force logging we need to enable. Now we can check supplemental log enabled or not. Force logging and supplemental log. So yes. Okay. So this has been done. Now we are going to create the database objects under loading data. Okay. So 3 tables have been created. Let's check this table. We need to log into the pluggable database. Like we need to connect as the OGG source user in this way, and then we need to create the table objects. Okay, select user, select table name from user underscore tables. Now you can see three tables have been created: economic entity and the GDP growth and okay. Okay. So this has been done, and again run this query to populating the table. Okay, economic entity SQL, it's going to populate. So again I'm going to this path and so it's done. Now you can check economic entity. So 235 records have been updated. Okay, so this is done. In target side also you need to do the same thing. Okay, connect OGGTRG at OGG. Password. So user run the same thing on this side as well. So it has been created, and again we will run this. So the same table we need to create on both the end, and again we will populate the record. So the same table has been created on both the end, and the same records have been updated. Okay, now log into the GoldenGate initiating terminal. So mgr info mgr. So manager is running. Okay. Source side we have enabled the manager services. And the same thing we need to perform on the target side as well. Edit mgr. Two VMs recovered, two Oracle 96 database is running, and besides like Oracle GoldenGate software binaries installed on both the ends, and we have created a couple of users on both the ends, and Oracle OGG user and OGG source users, and we have created three table objects on source and target side, and we have created and updated 245 records on both the tables. So it's been updated, and we have created login to that Oracle GoldenGate command line, and we have created that Oracle GoldenGate process manager process we have started. So it's up and running on the both the side. So in this demo we have seen at this end extract process and telecom process on source side and replicate process on target side. In my next video we will see that. Until then, stay tuned and keep watching this channel and space for more updates about Oracle 19c GoldenGate configuration. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. Stay tuned. We will see you soon with that Oracle GoldenGate replicate and extract process configuration. Thank you very much.